So we understood about the production order process. We understood about the production order process till now. Now let me explain you. In the very first, we told you like assembling and disassembling is possible. In discrete manufacturing, assembling and disassembling is possible. What do you mean by this one? Let us understand. So if I go to on-hand inventory, 3003 item, if you verify manage inventory, on-hand inventory, 24 available. Okay. And if you verify here, refresh, it is available 1030, 952, 870, 936, and 790. Now, using this production order, we are increasing on-hand inventory and we are decreasing raw material consumption using the production order. Okay. So rather than production order, if you are doing without much complexity of root function, we can use this B1 journal. Look at this. Inventory management, collapse all, journal entries, items, B1 journals.
I'm skipping the production process.
Yes.
The process, what it is happening in the production process, we are the same it is happening in the BOM journal.
Yes. But in this one, we are not using root function.
Root
or route function, whatever it is there, we are not using.
We are consuming raw material and creating a FG.
Yes, exactly right. So let me click on new. So I'm selecting warehouse. Click OK. Here, functions. Report as finished. Click on new. Select the item D003. Suppose 10 quantity. Here, there is a post now. I'm removing at present. 10 quantity. Click OK. Then it is showing clearly D003 quantity 10 is going to be increased. And raw material M001, 2, 3, 4, 7, it is going to be decreased. So on-hand inventory, it will decrease, it will become 1020, 942, 860, 926, 780. And here it will increase 24 to 34. Okay, let me show you now. Let me post here. I'm clicking on post. Now, if you verify on-hand inventory, this will become 34. This will become 10, 10, 10 decreased. This is called assembling. This is called assembling. And disassembling. Disassembling means new once again. Select the, otherwise you can skip also, no problem. Since report as finished, click on add, selecting the item D003. Here I'm entering -5. This is now minus. Okay, you can click OK. Then you are going to decrease on-hand inventory from 34 to 29, 34 to 29, and it will increase 5 quantity raw materials. So I think Harsh asked about if it is end. After that, if I want to modify, then you can do using this one B1 journal. You can do adjustment from like on-hand inventory.
Yeah. So when we did this, like why we uncheck the post one? Because
before posting, I want to show you, that's it. Otherwise, it will be posted. I want to do manually the posting. Otherwise, you can keep it like this and it will be posted. Before posting, if you want to modify, you can modify. That's what my intention here.
Okay.
Nothing.
But when you say like after end, we can still do that. So, but in production order, when we have all routes and everything will be there, we cannot come into the BOM journal and can do the same production order like that, right?
No. So only that's what I told you. As a pieces, you can do corrections.
Okay.
But not complete as a whole.
So what just now what you show that normally used in the industry where just they have assembling process, right?
Yeah. So this one is assembling and disassembling. Yeah. Posting now. If I post, what happens? It will become -5, means this will become 29. This will become 1025, 947, 865, 931, 785. Okay. If you verify, this will become 5 quantity will be increased and 5 quantity will be decreased. So this is called assembling and disassembling.
Just one question.
Yeah.
When you did assembling, disassembling, you choose directly report as finished and skipped the before part.
So if you want to enter manually, you can do it. That is also possible. Means in the B1 journal, click OK. You can click on new and you can add one by one. Which one you want to increase, which one you want to decrease. Rather than manual entry, I have used this one. That's my point. So if you use report as finished journal, it will capture from the B1 design. Whatever you have designed B1 version, all the things will be captured automatically here. Otherwise, if you want to enter manually, if you know, you can enter. There is no issue.
Okay, it captures the setup, configured setup directly
From the
for the item.
Yes, exactly right. So rather than entering one by one manually, I have used this function so that it will create all the details. Why we need to do manually one by one step. Fine. Now we understood about B1 journal, like how to use it for assembling and disassembling function. For this one, there is no dependency on manufacturing process. I mean to say, route function is not required. It is not mandatory. Only B1 function is enough. Okay. So regarding this B1, usually I will teach here bill of material in the trade and logistics SCM. I will teach B1, but you also going to learn. You are also going to learn in depth about B1 in coming sessions. Okay, we need to understand a lot about B1 function, bill of material function, how to configure and all those things. Of course, I will teach here in the SCM trade and logistics. This is the step 1 for manufacturing process, but we are going to learn in depth. Okay. Now, one more concept I want to explain here. Take duplicate. Item model group. Second. If you want to create an item master, we need storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group, item group, item model group, purchase unit, inventory unit, sales unit. And I told you, item model group is like a very, very important. part. Okay, in SCM trade and logistics, this is very, very important. Now, in the item model group, if you look at this one in the system, let me go to item model group, inventory management, setup, inventory, item model groups. So if you click on new, there are so many models. FIFO, LIFO, LIFO date, weighted average date, standard cost, moving average. So in this standard cost method or standard cost model, this one is designed for manufacturing process. This standard cost method is designed for manufacturing process. Okay, so now let us understand about this one. See, is it mandatory we need to use standard cost model only for the manufacturing? No. System will allow you to use, if you want to use FIFO, if you want to use LIFO, if you want to LIFO date, anything can be used in the manufacturing. But this standard cost model is designed for manufacturing cost. So we are going to get more benefits if you are using standard cost model. You are going to use standard cost model, you are going to get more benefits from standard cost model. So now we are going to discuss about this standard cost model. Whatever it is. Okay. So let me show you this one, standard cost method. What is the advantage? So whenever I'm creating an item, I have created many items. Let me take physical inventories available. Let me create one item. I'm creating one item. ASK 026 is available. 27. So batch 127 standard cost. Okay. I'm using the model standard method, standard cost method. Standard cost model. Item group, any group is fine. Storage domestic group, anything is fine. Site and warehouse, I'll map it. None. So purchase price, I'm making $80. Sales price $120 and inventory price $85. Click OK. So here, let me go to the item master. One is purchase price, sales price, inventory price, system calculator price. These four prices you should know before understanding this model. One is purchase price, the sales price, then inventory price, and system calculated cost price. Once you are familiar with all four, then we are going to learn additionally standard cost price. This is for manufacturing. Okay, if you are clear these four, then we'll go to this method. Purchase price, at the time of purchase order, you are entering the price, that is purchase price. I mean to say in purchase process. Yeah, any doubts on this point? In purchase process, we are going to use purchase price. In sales price means in the sales process. example, sales order, sales quotation, we are going to use. Inventory price, do you know inventory price? What is this?
What price for the item we are maintaining in the inventory?
Means, can you explain me the examples? I told you like purchase price means in the purchase order, purchase request for quotation, we can use this price. Sales price means sales process, means example, sales order, sales quotation, etc. Now here, in which transactions we will use inventory price?
Inventory valuation, to calculate inventory valuation process.
No, no.
Journals, inventory journals.
Yes. So it is inventory
Movement
journals.
journals.
Examples, all inventory journals. Or while doing estimate in production, also it can be calculated. These are inventory journals. One is inventory journals means just now we learned here movement journal, inventory adjustment journal, transfer journal. All these things can be used inventory price. What is the use of inventory price? What is the use of inventory price? So in the release products, we have created one item, purchase price. In the purchase cost tab, we have the price, purchase price. The sell tab, we will have sales price. Manage cost, cost tab. Manage cost, cost tab, cost, sales price, sorry, inventory price is there. Just now we have created, if you verify manage inventory, there is no price. Now, whenever you are implementing this product, at that time, this is not purchased in this application. We have purchased earlier. So you are implementing from Jan 1st, 2025, you are implementing. Now, we need to enter opening stock. For opening stock, it is movement journal. In SCM trade and logistics, you will learn inventory management. At that time, you will learn inventory journals. So I'm entering new, click OK. This is opening stock. We are entering opening stock. Okay, now opening quantity, suppose 40 quantity is there. Now there is no price. Okay, give me a minute. I have entered cost inventory price. 1 minute. 40100. Is not capturing. Okay, because it is standard cost method is coming, it is not coming. Let me show you another item. I will come to this point later. Okay, give me a minute. I'm taking normal items. I'm taking washing machine item. Okay, here the purchase price is $50. Sales price is $80. Managed cost, it is $52. Okay, ASK 001. Opening stock inventory. ASK 001. Automatically, look at this one. I'm entering 50 quantity. Inventory price is coming as a cost price. Okay, here, the whatever the price you have entered. Suppose you have entered 53. Okay, now let me delete and let me recreate. It will update 53. Got it? So inventory price is coming from the inventory price. Here, manage cost, inventory price. This price will come here in the inventory journals. Is it clear? Any questions? Like movement journal,
Opening balance.
opening balances movement journal, or inventory adjustment of positive journals. Whenever you are posting positive entries, it will even estimate also. Estimate means whenever you are doing production process in the production module, production control, at that time, estimate is coming. So if you go to production control, production orders, so I have shown here estimates. This price is also coming from this managed cost inventory price. So is it clear now? These three prices, any confusions? Purchase price in the purchase orders, sales price, it is in the sales process, sales order or whatever it is, inventory price is this one. Now system calculated cost price. What is system calculated cost price? Can anyone tell me?
System
like
calculated
average cost.
price, purchase and
Like-
sales. System will consider the purchase and sales transaction, and it will consider the cost price based on the costing method.
Okay, but it will not consider sales. It will consider purchase price
Purchase price.
plus anything else. The formula for system calculated price. So purchase price plus maintain charges. Example, washing machines. I'm purchasing washing machine. For washing machine, it is 25,000 rupees, but for transportation, 1,000 rupees. That also included. Am I right? First price. Plus discount, if it is any discounts. Here. Plus says maybe, may not be. Is USA, taxes will be included. If it is Europe or India, taxes will not be included because there is a input credit is available in Europe and India. Input credit is available, so taxes will not be considered. So in USA taxation process, tax will be included in cost price. In Europe, Indian taxation, yeah, tax will not be included in cost price calculation. Okay, so this is system calculated price. This is system calculated cost price, then purchase price plus maintain charges minus discount plus taxes. Taxes will be included for USA taxation. If it is in USA, taxes will be calculated. If it is in Europe and India, tax will not be included because here input credit is available.
What is that input credit?
Finance into land finance. Input credit is not available. You need to understand the taxation methodology. It is finance topic. So now standard cost. So you are telling like system calculated cost price, system calculated cost price, where it is available. Let me show you. So we understood purchase price, sales price, cost price. Purchase price is in the purchase cost tab. Sales price is in the sell cost tab. And the inventory price is in the managed cost. Now, if you go to manage inventory on hand inventory, this is system calculated cost price. System calculated cost price. Okay. So in this session, I will teach more insights about inventory closing process. In this inventory closing process, you are going to learn about these calculations. It's a big subject, around 7-8 hours, and teach this one. Okay, this is system calculated cost price. In this trade elastics SCM, I'll teach system calculated cost price. Clear this for any confusions. So you need to be very much clear about purchase price, sales price, inventory price, and system calculated cost price. Yeah, clear? Any questions till now? Anyone?
So,
I hope.
like when
Yeah.
you say in trade and logistic session, like is it in the manufacturing part, right? Or it's a different?
Sorry, come again. Your question I did not get you.
Yeah. So, you say like we are gonna learn more about the inventory costing, inventory closing.
Yes,
Uh, in it's related to discrete manufacturing. All manufacturing is going to be in a manufacturing class session, or like
it will be
there are
in this
another.
session only. In this session only. It is for elastics only. I will teach about this system calculator price, whatever it is there. Around 7 to 8 hours, I will teach you. That is
Uh-huh.
in item model group will be covered in trade elastics session. This is heart of the application.
Okay. So we have to join the session with the trade and logistic people, is it?
Yes, yes, if you want. Okay, now the standard cost price. What is this standard cost price? I'm going to discuss now. This is not defined in the diagram. I have not defined. Now, let me go to this application. We have created one item recently, just now, ASK0026 or 27. What it is 27? I have created standard cost item model. Here I have selected item model group standard cost. Okay. So in item model group, there are check boxes. All these check boxes. You are going to learn this one in detail in SCM trade elastics. Fine. Now we have created one item. Model group, we have used standard cost. Now I'm doing purchase of this item. So procurement and sourcing, collapse all, purchase orders, all purchase orders. So before this, what I'm doing, I'm disabling this checkbox. Accounts payable, collapse all, setup, parameters. I'm disabling this checkbox. Post packing, post product stimulation or disabled. Okay. Now, this checkbox, I hope you know about this one. Because this checkbox I will discuss in finance alone. Okay. I will discuss a lot about this one. If you enable this one at the time of product receipt, the postings, the financial postings will be updated. If you want, I will show you this one by removing this checkbox. First, let me show you item A through ASK001 first. The difference, let me show you. ASK001, I'm purchasing. Let me create new. Select the vendor. Select site and warehouse. Click OK. Now, in accounts payable parameters, I have disabled. This checkbox. Now, I'm selecting ASK001. So for this ASK001 model group is not standard cost. Any model group is fine. Okay, click on here. It is FIFO. Any model is fine, not non-standard. See, actually, let me discuss here. Item model group. We have FIFO. FIFO. FIFO date. Weighted average. Weighted average date. Standard cost. And moving average. Standard cost and moving average. Okay, any model can be used for any industries. Any model group can be used for any industries, but Microsoft designed this one for manufacturing purposes. We are going to learn. This is designed for manufacturing process. This is designed for retail industry. These are above are used for distribution companies. This is the design from Microsoft. You can use it. Okay. Is there any restriction? No. Suppose I'm using distribution company. Can I use moving average? Yes, you can use it. System will not stop you. If I'm a distribution company, I want to use standard cost method. You can use it, but it is not the best practice. I'm going to explain you what is the benefits from here. Suppose I'm running a manufacturing company. I want to use FIFO method. Yes, you can use it. System don't have any restrictions. We don't have any restrictions, but this is designed for these methods. Okay, now let me proceed with the first item ASK001 model group is FIFO. Okay, and then here accounts payable parameters, we have disabled the checkbox. Now I'm doing purchase order. So I'm doing for 5 quantity. 250. I'm doing confirmation. Now I'm doing product receipt. So while doing product receipt number is mandatory. Is guaranteed. Click OK. Now, if you verify product receipt, the voucher is not there. I'm going to general ledger, collapse all, periodic tasks, subledger journal entry is not yet transferred. If I refresh, there is no entry. There is no voucher at the now product receipt. This is the behavior because you have disabled this parameter. Suppose I have enabled parameter. Then I'm doing one more purchase order. I'm selecting warehouse. I'm selecting the item sale ASK001. Suppose 2 quantity. I'm doing confirmation. I'm doing product receipt. Click OK. Now, if you verify product receipt voucher, here it is empty. If I go to subledger journal entries, if I refresh the journal list, here it is there. I'm clicking on transfer. Now the voucher will be shown. It is cost of purchase material received account data. So it is 50, the price, purchase price is 50, and multiply with 2, it is 100. So on-hand inventory value is increasing at the time of product receipt. So because this is enabled, this parameter enabled, that is the reason voucher is coming. Now I'm doing for release product for ASK0027. This item. Okay. Manage inventory, on-hand inventory. It is empty. This is a new item. I'm disabling this checkbox. I'm disabling this checkbox. Or disable or enable. It is irrelevant for standard cost method. For standard cost method, it is irrelevant. Enable or disable. I'm disabling. I'm creating a purchase order.
Sorry, Satya. Can you say that again? Like, what about disable and enable for standard cost?
If it is disable or enable, it is irrelevant. That I will discuss with you. That word, what is the meaning of that one? I will discuss with you in few minutes. Okay. I'm selecting the vendor. I'm selecting site and warehouse. Click OK. Now I'm selecting ASK027. 10 quantity I'm purchasing at the rate of 80. It is 800. I'm doing confirmation. Now I'm doing product receipt. Just like the same, we did it. Product receipt. I'm doing click OK. I'm getting error message. Clear without any errors was posted. Now I'm getting error message. No cost roll-up is found for this item. If you are touching standard cost price, no cost roll-up found for this item. So if you are getting this error message, purchase order number so and so, item is so and so, no cost roll-up found is found for this item, activate the item cost price. If you are coming, this one means you need to immediately understand, you need to remind, you need to recollect, like this item, whatever we are using, is that item is linked to standard cost model. You can verify for sure this is a standard cost model. Okay. If it is a standard cost model, then purchase price we have entered, sales price we have entered, and we have entered purchase price here, but still we are getting error message. It is telling like activate price, activate the item cost price. But we have entered price. In the release product also it is there. Now, because it is the model is standard cost, you need to go to manage cost, setup item price. It is must. So if you are touching this error message, this for sure this is related to this item is mapped with standard cost model. You have to recollect. This is for standard cost model design. Microsoft designed for standard cost model. Okay, for this we need to have costing version. Costing version. So here, costing type. Let me show you. For this model group, standard cost model group of cost management, collapsal. Here, costing versions. Standard cost or planned cost, whatever it is. It is mandatory. So while clicking on new, you are selecting the standard cost method. Whatever you have created, that version you are selecting. And you are entering site 1, purchase price $80. It is in pending prices. It is in pending prices. Now you have to click on activate pending prices. Then you will find here active price. Okay. Now this is purchase department committed at they are planning to purchase at the rate of $80 for each item. This is purchase department committed price. Now purchase department, they have not bargained with the vendor and they are purchasing at the rate of 85. No, they are purchasing at the rate of 85. Okay, here I have disabled this parameter. Now I'm confirming again. So purchase department, they have given commitment like we will purchase this price, best price is at the rate of $80. Now these people are purchasing at the rate of 85. They have not bargained. Now we are doing product receipt. Click OK. If you verify the product receipt, vouchers, voucher is not there. Let me verify subledger journal entry is not a transfer. Created even though it is disabled. Let me transfer now. Now, if you verify the voucher, look at this one. Material cost is updated with 800 only. Here, item price, this is $80. Whatever it is there, that one only it is updated here. Manage inventory. Here, the same price, $80 only updated. Actually, in reality, we have purchased at the rate of 85. Purchased at the rate of 85. So, what happens to this $5? 5 multiplied with 10, $50. It is purchase price variance. So, in the finance, this is related to finance. So here, chart of accounts, main accounts, purchase price variance. It will update here for $50. So, if it is increasing this value means purchase department is not working accurately because they have committed with this cost price $80. And their promise is not fulfilling properly. Even though it is enabled or disabled, It system will not look at that one, voucher is coming. Suppose they are doing extraordinary job and they have bargained with the vendors. Any vendor is fine, site and warehouse. Select the item ASK 00027. Actually, purchase price committed at $70. They have bargained with the client vendor and they are purchasing at the rate of 78 because market price is $80, but they have bargained because we are purchasing huge amount. Because it is a manufacturing company, will purchase in bulk. So the market price may be $80, but we need to get the best price from the vendor. If I'm purchasing bulk, it is a manufacturing company, will purchase in bulk. So we are purchasing bulk at the rate of $78 only. Come. So not in reality, not 10, 1,000, 10,000, 5,000 pieces will purchase, small, whatever it is. So 10,000 like that will purchase. Now I'm doing product receipt. Click OK. Okay. Now, if you verify product receipt voucher is not displaying. But if you click on subject design, it's not a transfer. Transfer now. Now voucher will be displayed. So 20 minus purchase price variance, it is updated minus. So it will show you it's 20. That means decreasing. So they are doing excellent job, purchase department. Capability can be understand from this or this one. They are doing excellent job. They have decreased the price. Now, if you verify, it will update standard cost price only in the on-hand inventory. Standard cost price only will be shown. 80 only. Earlier first 10, now it is 10, 20. Because the purchase department capability will be registered here. So variance will approve. So what is this actually purchase price variance? So let me show you. Inventory management, collapse all, setup, posting. If you map it item model group as standard cost method, then here there is a extra variances should be. Purchase price variance is applied. Okay, purchase price variance, inventory cost evaluation, cost change variance, production lot size variance, production price variance, production quantity variance, production substitution variance, rounding variance. All these variances will be updated if you are using the model group as standard cost method. Only for standard cost method, for this method only, standard cost method or model, these accounts will be posted.
So, Satya, like in real time scenario,
Hmm.
is it be going to be same? Like we need to open subledger journal and transfer now to see the vouchers, or
No, that is
there already
actually
be in a
it will be,
setup?
if it is because this is my laptop is 32 GB RAM, low RAM. In real time scenario, it will be like 256 GB RAM, big RAM. So in reality, there is in finance there is a batch transfer rule that will be transferred automatically, but it will take some time to transfer. Here there is a batch transfer rules.
But if we enable from the setup post
Yeah,
post general ledger, then We don't have to transfer, it will create the product receipt journals.
Yeah, it will be processed automatically. See, if it is a scheduled batch, this is a finance topic. If it is a scheduled batch, it will be stored here only. It will not be processed in the batch job. Transfer in batch. If you click, it will be processed. If it is a scheduled batch. If it is a synchronous batch, yeah, it will be landed here. It will be landed here, and it will be processed after some time. So there is three options here: synchronous, asynchronous, scheduled batch. So this we can compare with traffic, card traffic. So synchronous means, so whenever you are entering purchase order, you are clicking on new. It is taking some time, some seconds. Am I right? You are clicking on this one. It is taking some time. This time, only data entry. One is posting. Am I right? One is data entry, one is posting. When you will get frustrated if you are using data entry, it is taking some time, or while posting, you will get more frustration. At the time of data entry, if it is taking time, is it okay for you? Or at the time of posting, it is okay for you? Which one? Suppose there are 100 people are there, 80 people are doing data entry, 20 people are there clicking on post. So which one should give priority? Data entry. Agree? If you are selecting, click on no. Can you agree with me or no? Yes or no? Not no.
Yeah.
Because if it is taking like, if it is clicking on this one, it is rotating something, then you will get frustrated. Am I right? So
Right.
if it is
Posting we can done later, like with the batch job. But
yeah, so synchronous will give equal priority, but it is duplicated. You can use asynchronous. Asynchronous means data entry will be faster. Means the first priority will be this one. Second priority is posting. For the posting, it is taking some time, and it is coming here like subledger journal, and then it will be posted. So posting will be second priority if you map it asynchronous. Scheduled batch means not posting immediately. You will post in the transfer because morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, data entry will be happened. Business users, they will enter the data. At 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, I will post this one in a batch job. That is this one. Clear? So the same thing I will explain you by taking the card traffics. Card traffic. So this is bumper to bumper. This is synchronous. Okay. Asynchronous, we can take like this. Take a gap. Okay. Scheduled batch is this one. Like this. Okay. Here, like synchronous means bumper to bumper. It is tight. Suppose you are going to office. Morning, your office working hours is morning in USA. I think in as per my knowledge in USA, it is morning 8 to 5. Am I right?
Yeah.
At 7:30, there is a huge traffic. Agree with me?
Right.
That is synchronous. Asynchronous means your company has given provision like instead of 8 o'clock, come at 10 o'clock and leave it evening 7 o'clock. Then traffic will be like this. Agree?
Right.
If it is scheduled batch means it is completely like this. It means whenever you want to come to office, whenever you want to leave, you can leave, but you need to have 8 hours login. Then you will go by 12 o'clock. Okay. Otherwise, you can leave. So this is scheduled batch means it is after business hours, we'll post these transactions.
Right.
Using batch. Clear? This is finance topic.
Yes.
Fine. We have deviated from this functionality. Let me focus on this point. So if it is a standard cost model, we need costing version. And in the released product, along with this purchase price, sales price, cost price, along with this purchase price, sales price, inventory price, system calculate price, we have another function like released product, manage cost tab, setup area page, setup area page, item price button. Okay, this one you need to update the cost price using costing version. Costing version you need to do. So here I have entered manually. But there is a process here. You can click on new. If it is a B1 item, no need to enter manually. Okay, there is here calculate item cost price. This is a big function you are going to learn. Because if it is a B1 item, I will not purchase. I will purchase raw materials. From the raw materials, cost price should be updated. Am I right? Okay. So big subject you are going to learn if it is a B1 item related to this area. Okay, we'll discuss this point in detail in coming sessions about the standard cost method. If it is a standard cost method, you are for B1 method means for D003, we need M001, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Am I right? So now sum of M001, 2, 3, 4, and 7 and process cost, everything should be calculated from here.
So is it possible, like, like for BOM, like the component which we need have a different inventory evaluation method, but
Yeah, that's what here. See, if you go to this one, D003 item price, it is 168.64. This calculations, if you see, look at this one. Material cost plus transportation charges, overhead charges together, 3.9. For M002, material cost and transportation charges together, it is this amount. Like this, it is a big voucher. You are going to learn all these things. If it is D003, V calculation, it is not simple one entry. It is a big subject. Okay, in the production order, whatever the price it is coming from there, the same method here. Okay, in detail, we will discuss these points in the coming session. In one day, I cannot cover all those things. There are many subjects you are going to, there are so much subject you are going to learn a lot in the coming sessions. So this we are getting from standard cost method. From the standard cost method, the model, standard cost price, you are going to get more benefits than normal FIFO-LIFO weighted average. Apart from this one, in the standard cost model only, we are getting so much subject. Any more questions, please? Any more questions?
So just one question, like
Yeah.
When you purchase, when we already have like standard price decided 80, like let's say $80,
Hmm.
but if it is getting purchased in 85 more than the standard price, is
Hmm.
there a way to keep a check on it so that it will not allow to post if it is more than the
No,
standard
no, no.
price? No.
I will explain you the function. What is the benefit of this purchase price variance? If you want to stop it, business means you cannot do anything, right? You need to do a business. You need to do business. Why we need that purchase price variance? It is capturing and everything. In the next session, I will explain you. But if you are stopping means price may be increased, price may be decreased. Am I right?
Mhm. Yeah.
There is a slight differences will be there always. We should not stop the business, but we need to control. So that control can be monitored through purchase price variance.
Okay.
Yeah. So behind the scene, we'll discuss next session the business. What is the meaning of standard cost method or standard cost model? Why they are making separately apart from this regular purchase price, sales price, inventory price, and system calculated price. Apart from this one, what is this standard cost model? What exactly we are getting benefit? Why we need this one? All those things we'll discuss in the next coming session. Yeah. Any more
Okay,
questions?
Satyam.
Yeah. Okay. I'm stopping here now. We'll connect once again next week, Saturday, uh, morning, same 6 a.m. IST. Okay. See you all. Bye bye.
Bye,
So,
Satyam.
um,
Yes, please.
yeah, you can stop it.